This is the W50 smartwatch. It's a 10 ATM waterproof smartwatch. Comes with an extra set of bands in the box. Get notifications sent from your phone. All these different controls from do not disturb, alarms, your brightness, settings, you name it. You've got heart rate information, continuous and instantaneous. You've got weather in your area, complete with forecast. Blood oxygen readings in this one using red diode technology, overall sleep state information and breakdown of your night's sleep, stress also measured by this watch, your activities including calories burned, step count, standing, distance, all of that is in here as well. When you go to the left, you get a slide out of all of the different categories all in one single page. Makes it real convenient. Down here, you can step past and get all these different categories of sports, and when you go into them, you've got a breakdown of the individual sports themselves. Then you've got your app drawer, which includes all of your health metrics that we've already taken a look at, as well as female tracking and breathing exercises. You got clock. Buzz stands for Bluetooth calling. You got contacts, call history, dial pad, speaker, microphone built into this one. Nice sound on it as well. Your sports records, reminders, a music player that allows you to play music from the phone and control it from the watch. Watch faces and overall settings where you can control things like raise your wrist to wake it up, and set times for that, overall brightness, screen timeout, and many, many other features in this one. It comes again with the two bands. It's a very robust watch, being that it is super hardened, and really nice overall case as well. It's called the W50. Check it out.